What's poppin', beautiful people? It's your boy Lando Success. Hope all is well. So a lot of people on Twitter was asking, how do you send cryptocurrency from Robinhood to another wallet? Because a lot of people buy crypto on Robinhood now since they have a wallet. So here go my crypto account. We're going to use Dogecoin as an example. I only have $5 worth of Dogecoin. So I'm about to screen share on my phone so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. So you see it say buy or sell. You scroll down and you click send, and it say for security this isn't up, so I can't screen share it since it's security reason, but it's going to say enter manually. And the best way to do it is to go to the wallet where you're going to send it to. In this case, I'm sending it to Tangem. That's the wallet I just did a review video on. They sent me a wallet to review it, and I'm like, I might as well check them out because I like exactly what they're doing so far, and the price of it is genius. So it seemed very simple, very smart. I just logged in into the app. So now I'm going to pick Dogecoin. So it's a Dogecoin main, or it's a BNB smart chain. I am not on BNB. I'm sending this on Robinhood. So we're going to click main, and we're going to save changes, put in my code. All right, so now I have it, and I'm going to click copy. To copy that, you see it's a verified balance, and this is you want it to send, and they got an option where you can actually buy. That's interesting. I didn't know they had an option where you can buy Dogecoin, and you can buy directly right here. So that's interesting. That's good that they actually have that feature available. So now what I'm going to do is go back to Robinhood. It's going to ask me how much I want to send. If you click send all, it's going to say it's not going to do it. It's going to tell you an error because you need to leave some in there. Instead of me sending 60, I'm going to send 40 Doge. 40 Doge is $3. And you see it say review. So it's 351. It's telling me the address that I'm sending it to. After you hit submit, they're going to ask you to go to your authenticator. And now it say 40 Doge is on the way. So hopefully it go to this wallet, and we're going to see how long it actually take to get there. So it didn't take long at all. $3.51. You can't see it, can you? It's in there. It did go. It worked. So shout out to Tangem. Like it, they have a lot of options, all of that stuff. It is very simple. So if you want to send a cryptocurrency from Robinhood somewhere else, first you got to have cryptocurrency. You got to have your ID and everything secured in the Robinhood system so they can believe you're a real person. Second, you got to send it directly from your wallet to whatever wallet you want. Make sure you double, triple, quadruple check it a bunch of times so you won't send it to the wrong wallet. And if you're sending it from there, make sure you are sending it to a cold storage wallet. You do not want to have anything where it's not your keys, not your wallets. You want to have access to your crypto at all times. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button. If you guys interested in Tangem or Oculus, something like that, make sure you hit the good old subscribe button below. I'm Lando Says. I will talk to you beautiful people later.